Throw that ball! Throw that ball! Come on! Do you have to be more than stupid? We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details and information will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gorlandian government and the Gorboxian Civil Defense Command at approximately 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A foreign invasion of northeastern Gorland has been detected. 2 everything Canadian fighter planes, 20 everything Canadian fighter planes, and 60 everything Canadian bomber planes were detected moving in to Gorland. 60 fighter jets from our military have been sent to intercept these planes, but the interception failed, and the interceptors were intercepted. We do not know where these missiles and nukes are going to hit, but it is expected that they could hit the following areas: Gore City, Goretown, Goreville, Gorebox City, Goreboxville, Goretown, Brickville, Brick City, and Brickersville. Afterglow City, Goretown, and other areas in Gore County will be hit with huge amounts of radiation. Radiation is a byproduct of nuclear attacks and explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. This is KEBC 97 News, reporting to you live from downtown Afterglow City. We will continue providing news and information for the Afterglow City area. If you're not in this local area, tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. What? 120 more everything Canadian fighter planes and bomber planes were detected 5.5 miles from Gore City, moving at a speed of 1,160 miles an hour. These other nukes and missiles will hit the following areas: Afterglow City, Gore City, Bricktown, Brickersville, Brick City, Minecraft City, Minecraft Town, Minecraftville, and every other area in Brick County, Minecraft County, Gore County, and Gorebox County. These counties are expected to be absolutely decimated by the bombs. Afterglow County, northeastern Liberty County, and southwestern Liberty City County will be decimated by the fallout and radiation. If you are in the areas being decimated by the bombs or radiation or nuclear fallout, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If you are in a vehicle, mobile home, or the outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. Make sure it is a sturdy shelter. Also, the National Weather Service offices in all of these areas have detected numerous tornadoes and other natural disasters hitting the area. The National Weather Service, along with other weather services, will be on the air and will be trying to detect more of these disasters. It is odd, but the weather patterns are expected to change. Other man-made disasters have occurred as well, such as the breaches in some of the largest dams in Gorebox County, causing flooding in the majority of Gore City County. Most, if not all of these areas have been destroyed or flooded by water. The release of toxic gases from the Gore City oil refinery and some other factories have also been on the rise. It is expected that the Everything Land is at fault for this, but we do not know why they're ruining Goreland. At this time, all residents in Goreland should stay vigilant for further information. But for now, if you are not in any of these areas, but you still want to be on the lookout for these things, stay vigilant. Fallout can spread thousands of miles from the detonation site. So, the areas that could be affected by fallout include, but are not limited to, Gore City County, Gorebox City County, Minecraft City County, Brick City County, Northeastern Goretown County, Southwestern Bricktown County, Northwestern Liberty City County, and Southeastern Monroe County, and other following areas. Northwestern Monroe City County, Southwestern Graham County, Northwestern and Southwestern Buttertop County. These counties are expected to be hit by toxic amounts of fallout and radiation. Power plants in Gore City, Goreville, and Gorebox City will be put under level 10 meltdown. These power plants are expected to go up and explode. Once these things hit, you have approximately infinite amounts of any time to evacuate or take shelter. During this time, make sure that you have all the essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery power or hand crank radio with extra batteries. If you are evacuating, make sure you have the same essential supplies and bring whatever else you can. Every Canadian forces in Goreland will be evacuating citizens to Everything Land. If you choose not to evacuate, you could be putting yourself in life-threatening danger. Evacuate or seek shelter now. Repeating, evacuate or seek shelter now. We are on a time crunch here. Evacuate or seek shelter now. Repeating, evacuate or seek shelter now. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This is KBVC 37 and 96, reporting to you live from the Afterglow counties, Afterglow City, Gore County, Afterglow County, Afterglow City County, Gore County, Gorebox County, Gorebox and Gore City County, Monroe County, Monroe City County, Buttertop County, and Minecraft County. If you are not in any of these areas, tune stations are providing news and information for your local area. Our stations will continue providing news and information for your local area. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. Well, I gotta go over to the king's office quick. Mr. King,
Hi.
sir. What? Our county, along with many others, are being hit with bombs. They're from everything land, dude. They could absolutely decimate us. King, we gotta go. Nah, I think I'll stay here. Alright then, but if you die, that's not my issue. Also, I'm taking your worker's vehicle, if you don't mind that, so I can get out of here faster. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, jeez. Boy, it's time to... This is Bricks 57. Coming live from downtown Car City. Today is a nice day, partly cloudy day. Today we're expecting some showers and some other things. But yeah, that's very little of what has happened today. The National Weather Service office in downtown Brick City have detected numerous bombs and other man-made disasters and natural disasters occurring. It is believed that these disasters are caused by the Iranian government. It is unknown why the Iranian forces are causing these disasters, but it is expected that's the reason. But for now, we're gonna believe that it was our fault, because we don't know if it actually was their fault. Now playing the epic Car Crash Road song. This is Bricks 57, reporting to you live from downtown Brick City. That was the epic Car Crashing Road song. It's so popular that we have to play it every day. Sorry if we overplay it. It's just our favorite song here. But we have an alert coming in from the emergency alert system. Here it is. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Brick City Police Department at approximately 10:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The release of toxic chemicals have been occurring throughout Brick City and the majority of Goreland. It is expected that these gases cannot reach the city that people are evacuating from. So go over to Brick City now. Repeating, go to Brick City now. The gases won't be able to reach there. That is, if you can get there. You have an infinite amount of time before all the bombs and missiles launched from everything. So remember, evacuate or seek shelter now. Repeating, evacuate or seek shelter now. When seeking shelter or evacuating, grab all the essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries. When evacuating, all residents should bring whatever they can and bring however many people they can with them to ensure that they can evacuate as many people as possible. Seeking shelter will not work. You can only evacuate. Can you imagine God said they would no longer be sending in everything they needed forces to evacuate you? Only people that will evacuate you are forces from Goreland, but they said soon they would also stop sending their forces. The police and SWAT teams are still evacuating, but they said sooner or later they would stop as well. So only you can evacuate. Then the president of Goreland is expected to close down the borders, make it impossible to leave. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. That was the message. It's quite scary how they've sent in nukes and missiles to hit us. I mean, what did we do? Like, we did absolutely nothing. Like, it makes no sense. But yeah, you can go to your homes, do whatever you want for the next time. But, yeah, it is dangerous. Playing another epic song today on the radio. This is Bricks 57 reporting to you live from downtown Brick City. Enjoy the new song.
Car crashing roads on highways we tried. Car crashing roads from Hitchhike they feel alive. Interconnected roads through village and field. Car crashing roads where crashes are revealed. Car crashing roads, realistic damage shown. Car crashing roads, see how much you've grown. Engines roaring in the countryside. Car crashing roads, take the thrilling ride.
actually did. Oh, God. Am I okay? Oh, my back. Oh, my legs. Everything hurts. Wait. Oh, someone call an ambulance! Someone call an ambulance! Someone call an ambulance! Someone call an ambulance! I'm not going to be doing that. This horse sucks. I hear a nuke. I hear a nuke. I hear a nuke. Kaboom! Oh, okay, I'm safe from the fallout. A few idiots lay down. This is the only city left. Hold on, let's restart. Oh, good, we're back. Out of the hospital alive this time. Come on, don't hit me! What are you doing? What is this dumb traffic doing? I'm passing him in speed. Let's slow down a little bit. See if we can follow this idiot. I wonder where he's going. I'm following close behind. I'll catch him up. This thing's really fast for a car that's not good for speed. You can go 167 miles an hour before it tops out completely. I can only pass this dude if I wanted to. But look at this, I can pass him. I wonder where he's gonna end up going. I could slow down if I were you, buddy. Oh, we're going this way, it looks like. This man looks like he knows what he's doing, so I'm gonna follow him. Let's see how much keep up speed he needs. I can. I think we're gonna top that. I'll end up crashing and dying. Oh, there's one of the bars. No, I don't know what he's doing behind me. I think he's probably falling behind. He's really falling behind now. Hey, green car! Guess what? Guess what? I'm not the only one who can drive here! Die! Die! Oh yeah, you're really strong, aren't you? This is a race to see who will win! Come on, green car, die! I hope you die, green car! I'm catching up! Again! We are really going in a loop now, aren't we? Oh boy, that was close. Don't send me flying into a wall, you idiot. That's it. That's it. That's it. You're dying today. We gotta get in front of them. Maybe then they'll crash. Yes! I took him out. But I can't continue. Stay stationary. I'll catch up eventually. This thing sucks now that it's missing me. We took him out, but at the cost of our car. Well, hey there, damaged green car. I see you made it out alive. Well, I'm just gonna block the road here. Oh, wait, for the green car to come back, then I'll call the huge car.